Happy Sunday, December 11th, 2022. It appears that Ukraine has successfully attacked several barracks within their borders and Crimea. Now, the one thing that needs to happen is ordinary Russians need to feel the fear that Ukrainians have been putting up with for almost a year. How do you do that? You take out Moscow's Kashira power plant. And it doesn't have to be done by Ukrainians. Russian patriots opposing Putin could figure out something. And I know I'm talking, as a keyboard commando, and I cannot say for sure that I would have the gumption to undertake such a monumental task. But if you can disable the Kashira power plant for a week or 2 weeks, that would truly send a message and put fear in the hearts of ordinary Russians. That, coupled with their losses, could decisively turn the tide of the war. Thanks for watching.